Okay, in this video, we're going to go ahead and use the definition of a log to discover some properties, okay? And first of all, we have log base b of b. What does that equal? And log base b of 1. What does that equal? And so what we need to do is that we need to rewrite them using logarithmic properties to go ahead and see, well, how is this thing going to fall apart? And so for right now, I'm interested, well, what is that going to always equal? So I would say, rewriting this, b to some power, the question mark, equals, well, just b. So in this case, if we have this statement that b is going to go ahead and equal b, then it would make sense that the question mark is just going to be 1. So in this case, we can show that b, the log base b of b is always going to go ahead and equal 1. So that means is that if they match, for example, if you had a common log whose base is 10 of 10, that's always going to go ahead and equal 1. And likewise, if you had a natural log whose base is going to go ahead and be e, right, then they would match and that would equal 1, and that would hold true for whatever log base that you go ahead and they happen to match. So anyhow, moving forward to the second property, log base b of 1, I'm going to use the same technique and just rewrite this to see what this is going to look like. So right now I have a question mark, and so I'm going to rewrite this as b to the question mark equals 1. And so b to the question mark equals 1. Now, there's only one way to go ahead and get this to be a 1, and so we got to remember is that anytime that we have anything raised to the 0 power, that's going to give us, well, 1. So that means that b to the 0 power is going to go ahead and be 1, and so therefore the question mark must be 0, because the only way that you can go ahead and get anything that is a base to go to 1, if it's not 1 already, or 0, is that you have to raise it to the 0 power in order for you to go ahead and apply this property right here. So that's how you you show those properties are what they are, and so yeah, that's how you do that, and thanks for watching.